What is going on, my foodie foodsters? You know what? Shut the music off. It don't need to be dramatic. It's not that serious. You know what? Shut it back on. It sounds better. Today, late night again, we're going to be using leftovers ordered from a pizzeria that wasn't that good. But that's besides the point. Oh, don't look at that, sorry. We're going to be adding some fries out of the freezer. Store-bought. With this. You know what this is. What is it? Pizza rolls. Shut the music off. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Let's start the video. Okay, late at night, let's go. Turn on your fry oven. Put these frozen fries up in there. Then you add your not so good wing spot. It's a late night spot. Look at these. What I'm gonna do with these? We're gonna throw them back in the toaster oven because it's late at night, and we're gonna add and do what we want to do with them. Food loves me too. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, these was I think these was garlic parmesan. So that's the garlic parmesan drip. That's what that is. Look at it. Oh, late night. We don't care. No, we don't. Throw them in there. Let them toast, baby. Let the wings toast first. Let them get a nice toast on them. Let them get a nice toast. And then we're going to be ready to roast. Then we're going to add the fries. Frozen fries don't take that long. They don't take that long. Pizza rolls. This is what you call Food Loves Me Too. Once again, late night edition. Let's go. We got a nice roast going. Let's add these frozen fries. You know, those frozen fries you buy in the grocery store. Add them to the dish. Oh, sorry. You want to hit the floor. Do not look at that. Only I saw that. You couldn't see that on the camera shot. Hold on. Here, I'm gonna have to double layer these. I don't have enough room in this. You know, You need one of those big fryers for this. I only got a standard size. So, you know, it is what it is. Hold on. We just gonna let it fry. We just gonna let it air fry. Okay, let's check in and see what's going on here. Gonna have to throw them back in here. Let's give them a little shake and majaker. Just mix all the good flavors in there. Why not? Late night edition. Let's go. Food loves me too. You can make it happen with anything. Take a late night dish and make it a full dish. You know? Leftovers is all overs. You let it happen, you let it get in your tummy, and you just make it work. Let's go! Okay, it looks like about, what is it, about 20 minutes in. Take it all out from the air fryer and just dump it all in the basket. Cause it's late at night, we don't care. You can see the pizza rolls in there. The chicken with the fries. Oh, steam in there. Don't look at that. Yeah. Late night edition. Once again, in the Food Loves Me Too kitchen. Darn easy. We don't play no games. We about to get busy. This is what you call a pizza roll chicken plate with fries. Pizza roll with fries edition. Welcome to late night basket edition. You see it? I plated it. This is how you take some leftovers, mix it with some stuff you got in your fridge, and just make it happen. Ketchup. A little hot sauce. Add to those wings that you got from the late night pizzeria. Why not some sriracha? Ranch. Oh, that went crazy. Pause. Don't look at that explosion. Let's start with the pizza roll. Delicious. This is what you call late night eating. Those frozen fries from the store. I added that all to the pot. Those wings from the late night pizzeria, add it to the pot. Something about when you add a chicken wing, fries, and the pizza roll together, it's amazing. Put some ranch on that. Pizza roll. I ain't mess with it. Let me close my mouth before I give y'all the ending statement. Subscribe. Food loves me too. Another late night edition.